In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create statements in QuickBooks Online. This process is simple and straightforward, and we'll walk through it step by step to ensure you can generate and send customer statements effortlessly. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online website. Once there, you'll see the sign in button prominently displayed in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed. Now you'll be asked to enter your credentials. Type in your email address and password into the provided fields. After you've carefully entered your information, go ahead and click the sign in button once more to log into your account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the main navigation menu. Here you'll find the sales option. Click on sales to continue. This section effectively organizes your transactions and helps you manage everything related to your sales processes. Following that, click on customers, which is located within the sales menu. This will bring up a list of your customers, showcasing all their relevant transaction details. Find the customer for whom you wish to create a statement. You can either scroll through the list or use the search function to locate the correct customer quickly. After selecting your desired customer, look for the Batch Actions drop-down menu. Click on this menu to reveal a list of possible actions, then select the Create Statements option. At this point, you'll need to set the date range for the statement. It's important to choose dates that encapsulate the transactions you're looking to summarize for the customer. Start by adjusting the start date to when you want the statement period to begin. This can be done by clicking on the calendar icon and selecting the appropriate date. Next, adjust the end date to mark when the statement period should conclude. Again, ensure this date encompasses all the necessary transactions. With the date set, you're ready to finalize the statement. Click on Save and Send to prepare it for delivery. This not only saves your specified date range, but also preps the statement for sending via email. After clicking Save and Send, a preview window will appear. Review this carefully to confirm that everything appears as it should. Lastly, confirm the sending of the statement by clicking the Send button. This action dispatches the statement directly to your customer's email, ensuring they receive a comprehensive overview of their transactions with your company. And there you have it, a simple, efficient way to create and send customer statements in QuickBooks Online. With these steps, you've not only streamlined your accounting process, but also ensured your customers have clear, timely updates on their account activity. Feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a refresher. Thank you for watching, and happy accounting!